Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Morten Momo YouTube channel. And as always, before watching this video, please don't forget to give your like, your comment, your share, and surely subscribe this channel. Okay, let's check it out and hope you enjoy it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's study English. Okay, actually, now we are in the chapter 3 about what time is it. Okay, the main material for now is what time is it. So we are going to learn how to tell the time in English. Okay, before going further to the main material about what time is it, here please pay attention first to these notes. Okay, the first one, AM. AM means ante meridiem. Once again, AM it means ante meridiem. So AM or ante meridiem started from 12 at night till 12 at noon. And the second one about PM. PM means post meridiem. Once again, PM it means post meridiem, which is started from 12 at noon till 12 at night. Next, longhand means jarum panjang, shorthand means jarum pendek, second hand means jarum detik, pas means lebih, two means kurang, a quarter means seperempat or 15 menit, 15 minutes, and a half means setengah or 30 menit, 30 minutes. Okay, now we move into the main material about what time is it. Here you can see about the clock, about the watch, and pay attention here. From number 1 to number 5, or from minute 1 to minute 30, we use pas. Once again, from number 1 to number 6, or from minute 1 to minute 30, we use pas. Next, from number 7 to number 11, or from minute 31 to minute 59, we use to. Once again, from number 11 to for number 7 to number 11, or from minute 31 to minute 59, we use to. Okay, and please pay attention. Okay, if the long hand at number 12, we say o'clock. Once again, if the long hand at number 12, we use o'clock. Okay, if the long hand at number 5, it means 5 pas atau lewat 5 menit. Next, if the long hand in number 2, we say 10 pas. Next, if the long hand at number 3, we say a quarter pas. A quarter pas or 15 pas. It's up to you. Next, if the long hand is in number 4, we use 20 pas. Next, if the long hand is in number 5, we use 25 pas. And next, if the long hand is at number 6, we use half pas or 30 pas. Okay, now we move into 2. Okay, once again, from number 7 to number 11, or from minute 31 to minute 59, we use 2, not pas. Okay, and if we use 2, we have to subtract the minute with 60. Why 60? Because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So, from minute 31 to minute 59, they have to subtract it first by 60. Okay? Example, if the long hand is at number 7, it means 35 pas. lewat 35 menit. And 35 or 35 subtracted by 60, it will be 25. So we use 25 too. Next, if the long hand is at number 8, it means 40 pass. So 60 subtract with 40, it will be 20. So we use here 22. Next, if the long hand is at number 9, it means 45 pass. So 45 subtracted by 60, it will be 15. Or we can also use a quarter to or 15 to. It's up to you. Next, if the long hand is at number 10, it means 50 pass. And 50 subtracted by 60, it will be 10. So we use here 10 too. And the last one, if the long hand is at 11, it means 55 pass. And 55 subtracted by 60, it will be 5. So we use 5 too. Okay, next. Okay, actually there are two ways in telling the time. The first one, mention hour plus minute. And the second one, mention minutes plus pass or two and plus hour. Okay, here I will show you about the example. The first one, the example about pass. When do you use pass? Once again, we use pass from number 1 to number 5 or from minute 1 to minute 30. Okay, here the example. 8:20 atau jam 8 lewat 20. Remember, there are two ways in telling the time. The first one mention hour plus minute, and the second one mention minutes plus pass or two and plus hour. Okay, 8:20. We use the first way about mention minutes plus pass or two plus hour. It will be, so pay attention here. Place attention first. 8 itu hour atau jam, 20 itu menit or minutes. So the first way mention minute plus hour. So we have to say 20 past 8. Okay, and the second way mention hour plus minute. So 8:20. And attention please, if you use the second way mention hour plus minute, we have to eradicate this word pass. Okay, next, jam 7 lewat 5. The first way mention minute plus hour. So it will be 5 past 7. Or the second way mention hour plus minute, 7:05. Remember, if you use the second way, we have to eradicate the word pass. Next, 9 lewat 25. Mention minute plus hour, 25 past 9. And the second way mention hour plus minute, 9:25. Next, jam 10 udah lewat 8 menit. The first way mention minute plus hour, 8 past 10. Or the second way mention hour plus minute, 10:08. Next, jam 11 lewat 17 menit. The first way mention minute plus hour, it will be 17 past 11. Or the second way mention hour plus minute, 11:17. Once again, if you use the second way mention hour plus minute, we have to eradicate the word pass. Next, I will show you the example how to use to. When do you use to? Just a reminder, we use to from number 7 to number 11 or from minute 31 to minute 59. And don't forget, if you use to, we have to subtract the minute with 60. Once again, so from the 31 minute to 59 minute, we have to subtract them by 60. Okay, example, jam 1 lewat 35 menit atau lagi 25 menit ke jam 2. Kenapa lagi 25 menit? Karena 60 subtracted by 35 it will be 25. Jadi 1 lewat 35 atau lagi 25 menit ke jam 2. It will be in English 25 to 2. Kenapa 2 bukan lagi 1 di sini? Karena kita akan mengatakan ke jam selanjutnya. Jadi angka 1 ini akan menjadi angka 2. Jadi lagi 25 menit ke jam 2 in English 25 to 2. Or the second way mention hour plus minute, it will be 1:35. Next, jam 2 lewat 40 menit. Okay, so 60 subtract by 40, it will be 20. Jadi lagi 20 menit ke jam 3, it will be 20 to 3. Or the second way mention hour plus minute, it will be 2:40. Next, jam 3 lewat 50 menit atau lagi 10 jam 4, it will be 10 to 4 or 3:50. Next, 4 lewat 55 menit atau lagi 5 ke jam 5, it will be 5 to 5 or 4:55. Next, jam 5 lewat 46 menit atau lagi 14 menit ke jam 6, it will be 14 to 6 or 5:46. Next, we use o'clock. We use o'clock when the long hand is at number 12 or the digital clock or watch shows about 00. Okay, example 12:00 in English 12 o'clock. 10:00 10 o'clock. 7:00 7 o'clock. Next example about a quarter past. We use a quarter past when the long hand is at number 3. Example, jam 1 lewat 15 menit in English a quarter past 1 or 1:15. Jam 2 lewat 15 menit a quarter past 2 or 2:15. Jam 3 lewat 15 menit a quarter past 3 or 3:15. Next, the last example about a quarter to and a half past. When do you use a quarter to? We use a quarter to when the long hand is at number 9 or shows about 45 minutes. So it will be 4:45 atau lagi 15 menit jam 5. In English, a quarter to 5 or 4:45. 5:45 atau lagi 15 menit jam 6. A quarter to 6 or 5:45. 6:45 atau lagi 15 menit jam 7. A quarter to 7 or 6:45. And the last example about a half past. We use a half past when the long hand is at number 6 or it shows about 30 minutes. Example 7:30 a half past 7 or 7:30. 8:30 a half past 8 or 8:30. 9:30 a half past 9 or 9:30. Okay, I think you can understand it and copy it. So as always, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, keep studying English. Thank you so much. God bless you.